Yeah, so I think, okay, so partially you've answered that, breaking out of your current network and all of that. But there are two key things there. You've talked about big ideas and complex ideas. I have no problem with big ideas. I usually have problems with complex ideas. When any idea is complex, is likely to fail.
Okay.
I have no problems with an idea. See, every global brand was never really a complex idea.
Okay.
Steve Jobs didn't have a complex idea. He just had a big idea. Bill Gates didn't have a complex idea. They just had big ideas. However complex your ideas seem, you need to simplify it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because people find it very difficult to respond to
Yes,
complex ideas.
ideas.
So my first advice would be that if you have a complex idea that is way bigger, you see, that's what you said, complex idea, and then you spoke about the size. I have no problem with the size. You can have a global idea from your village. I don't have a problem with that. My real problem is because I've met people really that have really complex ideas. They spend 2 hours trying to tell me what they're planning to do. I truly don't get it.
I don't at all.
Do you understand? And if I can't get it,
It's
I can
difficult
help
to
you.
relate,
True.
yes.
And that's why one of my very strong mentors, who is like a father figure to me, and like my father-in-law really, he said to me that when life gets tough, when things get down to it, you must go back to the basics. Everything you want to do, you must be able to break them down to the basics. When you start giving me idea and giving me 18 layers, do you understand, to one simple,
Yes.
structured idea? I mean, what is complex about Samsung? What is complex about Apple? What is complex about Uber?
Nothing.
What's Uber's
B&B.
idea? Do you understand?
Remove people, yes.
Yeah, Uber is the biggest taxi company without a taxi.
taxi.
Yes.
He's trying to demystify the whole concept of you owning cars. You don't really need to own a car. They want to make taxing so simple. It's just that straightforward. You see? So however big your idea is, keep it, but make sure that it must be simplified to the basics. Always find a way to simplify your idea. So that way you can convey it to your possible investors on network and then eventually grow to a network.
Okay. Wow.